Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can install your Impact badge onto your WooCommerce e-store. Over here, you can choose the design that you would like. I'm going for this design. Go to the next step. You can also choose to customize a description, or you can go with the default. Over here, you can further customize the look of your Impact badge. I'm giving it a curved border over here. You can choose the different colors you would like as well. Once you have done with all of that, save the changes and copy the code. This is the most important step. And go to your WooCommerce backend. Over here, under Appearance, Theme Editor, you have a choice to put it either in your theme footer or your theme header. I'll go with theme footer for now. And I'm just going to place it at the bottom over here. Update my file. It should now appear on your e-store at the bottom. Ta-da! And this matrix will alternate between the carbon absorbed and also the number of trees planted.